Okay, battery number 2, huh?
Let's go.
Dawson, go right next to the garbage cans there and then try to take it up the hill. But wait till I get in place for a shot. Yeah, you should come up here with me so you can see. That way you can take it through here and then go up the hill.
I can see behind you.
Yeah, she rips. Oh, easy does it there, Junior.
Hey, you ran it straight into the acid
You're all throttle, huh?
Yeah.
She's not responding. See, it could be that receiver, but it... Oh, man. Okay, whoa, 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 whoa. Here. Okay, what was that? That's no good. Good. Might as well shut down your transmitter. That was the Magic Smoke. Magic Smoke appears, bad things happen. What the heck?
Magic Smoke.
So the question, was it coming from our battery or was it coming from our speed controller?
I know for a fact it wasn't coming from the battery.
How do you know for a fact?
Because I saw the smoke and it wasn't coming from here. It was coming.
Good Lord.
What?
Okay, let's get this thing up and get the snow off of it. That's your job. Okay, query angle, it's March 26th, 2018. And we got this ESC on eBay, ESC and motor. And we installed it. And we were running it in the snow the other day. And we had the Magic Smoke that came out of it. Just to demonstrate it, I'm going to put the battery on. I'm sure it's still going to make the awful noise and put some smoke out. And the power switch is off. And I'll just connect a 3S LiPo. Right away, you can hear it. There it goes. There she goes. Yeah, that's obviously no good. Don't know what that is or why it's doing it. Like I said, we ran one battery pack through it. This was actually the second battery pack. And then she did this. It's rated as a waterproof. It's hot. 60 amp ESC. And something's definitely off. So I asked the boys that I bought it from on eBay for a refund. And they asked for a video, so I'll send them this on YouTube. Hopefully they will compensate me either by sending me a new ESC or simply by refunding my money. I think the total cost of this ESC and the motor together was $40, which seems like a fantastic price, but I gotta tell you, I mean, it's definitely not worth it if I'm only going to get to run 1.5 battery packs to it, and then I'm out the ESC. This is no good. Hopefully they make it right. I'll do a follow-up video then. Signing off.